how to add the no-sew version, which you can watch in another video that goes into more detail of how to add sheet yarn, the no-sew version. So you're going to take the material, you're going to fold it over, and you're going to put a little snip in here. Okay? So this is what it looks like. Okay? If you watched other videos, you've seen it done before of mine. I've already done it to this one where I folded it over, put a little snip. Okay. How you add the no-sew sheet yarn. You're going to take the one that you're adding and you're going to put it through the one that's already being worked, the one that's added to the rug already, the one that's on the rug. The one that you're adding is going to go into this hole of the one that's already attached. You're going to take the other end of the one that you're adding. This is easy to see because it's a different color. So you're going to take one end and feed it through the other end. Going to go right through there. This has got several pieces already added together. So I pulled it off my roll, my ball, and I only do 3 to 8 of them at a time because you have to be able to add it. Okay, you pull it through and you get to, it's going to be like this. You continue to pull it. There you go. It's added. I give a little tug this way and a little tug that way, and now you have the sheet yarn added with the additional color.